Hey Danny, so I'm going to walk you through the whole process and hopefully this will cover everything. But if you have any questions, just Skype me and I'm very good at handling stuff over the phone, so it's not a problem at all. So I sent you a zip file. So the first thing is just put it on your desktop or wherever you want to put it. And we're going to set up Dreamweaver. So just click Site, New Site. I guess we'll call this Amazon. And the root folder is this. And remote info, FTP. I sent you the FTP info. Okay, so that's set up. Now, let's go over Amazon real quick. Let's see here. So, the first thing I want you to start with is our GPS units. And I will give you a list of stuff, so we don't have to keep going through this, but just start with GPS units. And to get to this page, go to electronics, and GPS. Okay. Bestsellers. Whoa. Okay. How many standard anyway? GPS navigation. Okay. So here's the bestsellers. So start with vehicle GPS, then sports and handheld GPS, then boating GPS, and then GPS trackers. Alright, so probably the easiest way is I'm just going to do one and you can watch me. So we're just going to start with the first one. And do as many of these as you can in the top 100. But just only do the actual GPS units as the main product. Like, don't do this holder here for the main product, just the GPS units. So we're going to start with this one. And the first thing I always do is save all the images I need for my page. So if I go here and try and save the image, you can see it's just not going to work. So I basically just copy this, paste it into Google Images, and I want the image to be 300 by 300. So if you just go Search Tools, any size, click Exactly, 300, 300. That'll give you that. So just go ahead and save the image. We'll go ahead and call this JPEG. Now, you'll see on these pages that there's 5 different products. And the reason I do that is I've just found that if I have more than one product on the page, I get better click-throughs from this landing page over to Amazon. So that's why I do that. And I just pick stuff that is, like this would be the main product, and I just pick stuff that is related to that main product. Okay, so the easiest way to do that is you come back, like this is the main product. Just scroll down, and the first thing you'll see is frequently bought together. So these 2 products I'm going to include on that page. So we'll just go here. Again, I can't save this one, so I'll just copy this, go to Google Images, Save that. Call it friction mount. We'll go back. Next thing is this case. Sometimes saving is just save that. Case. Now I need 2 more. So just scroll down. Customers who bought this item also bought. So I've got this one and this one, so I'm going to go ahead and just do the next 2. So I'm going to save this. 3 and 1 out. And this one. If you're not sure, like on this kind of stuff, electronics, if you're trying to come up with something for these other products to put on your page, chargers are always a good thing because people tend to buy those. So we'll call this Garmin charger. Okay, so I got my 5 images. Now the next thing is to set up the links. So if you come over here under GPS, I always set it up like this. My main folder, in this case it's GPS, and then I set up a folder called Go, and these are the links. I'll show you how to do that. And then under GPS, anyway, just follow along, you'll see. So GPS, Go, and under Go, I always put the model number because there's so many of these it'll get really cluttered. So just make a folder and name it the model number. In this case, it's 40LM. You could call it Garmin 40LM. Just anything that's works for you. So I called it 40LM, and I'll show you how this works. Let me go ahead and delete these. Yes. Okay. So I need Go template. I'll go ahead and save it. This will actually be done by the time you get this. Okay, so we have the Go template. Now what the Go template is, it's just a little piece of PHP code, and you'll see how this works. Don't think this is anything complicated because it's not. The only thing that we're going to change is this right here. It's called an ASIN number, and all Amazon products have what's called an ASIN number. If you scroll down on any page, you'll see where it says additional information, ASIN, and then here's this number. It's just Amazon's product ID for in their system. It's like a product ID for Amazon. So we just copy this, go to Dreamweaver, paste it in, and we'll file save as. Since it's under 40LM, we call it 40LM Go PHP. And I will show you that this works. Just copy this. And paste it here. It's just the link to that product. Okay, so now we just need to do it for all of these. So we'll do the friction mount. Scroll down, get the ASIN number. Go to Dreamweaver, paste it in. Save as 40LM friction mount. Go. Need the case. ASIN number. Save as place. Go back, scroll down to, oh, I know why. Okay. So we're back to the main page. Also bought where we're going to do this one. Here's the ASIN. Sometimes you have to look around. On this one, it's over here. Just ASIN number. Copy. Paste. Save it. Let's call it 3 and 1. And the charger. The ASIN number. Paste it in. Save as. All right, so we have our links. Now let's build our web page. So pull up template.php, which is just a thing. So the very first thing I always do is I just copy and like highlight here, go to edit, find and replace. You'll see that it's already done because I highlighted it. Go over to Amazon. And we need this. Don't go for all of this stuff, just the main model number. We'll copy that. And here, click Replace All. So now it's replaced on everything in this page, as you can see. So we just get rid of that. And we're going to put our images in. So this one is the main one. And then you always have to set the border down here to 0. Otherwise it'll look funky. Let's put this over here. Because we don't have SD cards with these things. Friction mount. Let's mount. Get rid of this. I think the next one was the case. Case. Get rid of this. 3 and 1. Mount. This is a mount. Let's call this dash mount. Or friction mount. And this last one, put the charger. And go back and set these all. Set the border to 0 on all of these. Like so. And so now I'm going to link out from the web page to Amazon. The way you do that, and the reason I do this is so that I can track my keywords. I'll show you that later, but so you just highlight the image, come down here where it says link, drag it over here to there, drag it over to there to go. This link goes to there. This link. All this stuff up here goes to the main product. Okay. Come here's the friction mount. This goes to this one, friction. Friction. This one goes to case. This one goes to 3N1. Oops. To 3N1. This one goes to charger. Okay, come up here, and this stuff right here, I just get it from Amazon. Product features. Just copy that. Come over here, paste it in. And last thing is we come down to the bottom. I always come down and pick a 5-star review. So I just go copy this. Oops. Excel. And then save it. Save as 40LM. HP. And right here's where you upload. Click that. Click put. Come over here. Upload the Go links. That's done. So now if we come over here, oops. What is it? That's capital letters there. Here's our page. If we click this, yep. Always check the links to make sure they work. And does the case go to the right one? Yes. Yep. Let's review. That's it. That's one page. So, yeah, that's it. If you have any questions at all, just either probably the best thing is to send a Skype message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I get it. And I'll send you a document that kind of follows along with this. And yeah, that's the first thing to start with. I have some other stuff that actually goes with this, but I don't want to overwhelm you with too many things. So just start making the web pages, and we'll take it from there.